Hello all my dear friends, this is Pranjali Tiwari and today I would like to share my views on the most trending topic, lockdown boom or curse. Friends, first thing, as we all know that though lockdown is a bit difficult situation for all of us but important too. The biggest thing available to us in this moment is the gift of this very time. This is the time to do all those things which we have kept pending. Lockdown is a boon for our mother nature. Since Janta curfew till now, there has been a significant dip in the air quality index across the world. There has been a positive effect on the water quality of Ganga and Yamuna river. Friends, you all know that we begin our life with lot of passion, but over a period of time, routine takes over and we forget about our passion. But lockdown has helped us to revive our forgotten memories, hobbies and passions. Like in this lockdown, I have found that I can do sketching too. I have made some of them. Even my mom had tried some new recipes. So friends, this is the best time to manifold your creativity. Now we have time to spend with our family members, which we couldn't do earlier because of our busy schedule. Along with this, there is improvement in technology as well as online platforms too have got a boon. Our medical system has been improving day by day and all the doctors and corona warriors are working really hard. Friends, economists predict that this situation will increase employment opportunities for skilled graduates. The world is becoming more techno-savvy. So friends, what necessary for time being is that we should develop ourselves in this period. This is the best time to learn new things and develop ourselves for our better tomorrow. These were some of the boon of lockdown. But friends, as we all know that every coin has two sides, similarly along with boon, lockdown has curse too. We can't ignore the fact that due to lockdown, businesses are shut and there is a prediction that 90% of the jobs won't exist tomorrow. There is an massive decline in the GDP of India and almost 84,000 people in India and 9,47,000 people across the world have lost their lives. We students, teachers and people working from home are facing various problems. The rate of unemployment is increasing day by day and we all know that how migrant laborers and daily wage workers are suffering. Tourism industry has experienced a great fall. But friends, always remember that everything happens for a reason. Though this lockdown is a curse for we humans, but a boon for our mother nature. Concluding my speech, I would like to say that, friends, lockdown has its own boon or curse. All we have to do is to decide what to do with the time given to us. This is the time to do the best things of our life. Lockdown has gave us the biggest lesson that cost of living is never expensive. It is the cost of lifestyle which is expensive. So friends, although we are facing various difficulties, but soon there will be vaccine and everything will be fine again. So friends, keep learning new things and stay positive. I take your leave. Thank you so much for lending your patient ears to me. Stay safe, wear mask and have a nice day.